Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Assistant General Manager and Chief Development Financing Officer at JN Group, Earl Samuels, has renewed a call for the government to look at implementing a rent-to-own policy to improve the prospect of home ownership for more citizens. The call comes amid increasing real estate prices, inflation, and an uptick in mortgage rates. Speaking at the 10th Biannual Jamaica Diaspora Conference last week, Mr. Samuels charged that the demand for housing is still greater than the supply, but the real challenge is affordability. Entrepreneurial partners EP and Blue Maho Capital have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, to provide 1,400 affordable housing units to the Jamaican market. So far, both companies have earmarked locations in the parishes of St. Thomas and St. Catherine to break ground for the construction of 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom units in gated communities. EP is now awaiting approvals from the municipal corporations and is optimistic that construction will begin in early to mid-2025. While over 70,000 Jamaicans qualify for National Housing Trust benefits, many are still unable to afford to purchase a home, even when combining their accessible loan limits of 7.5 million Jamaican dollars to 15 million Jamaican dollars. Airline company Jet Air Caribbean has suspended all flights from Curacao to Kingston, Jamaica. On Tuesday, the Court of First Instance of Curacao declared Jet Air bankrupt. Jet Air was the sole airline based in Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire, with jet aircraft operating scheduled flights connecting Curacao with Aruba, Bonaire, Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, Haiti, St. Martin, Suriname, and Colombia. Jet Air has reported losses of more than $1 million, resulting in Jet Air ceasing operations. During trading for the period June 24, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Deramont Trading Company Limited, with 31,197,380 units, amounted to 53.72% of the market volume in terms of sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, with 3,753,146 units, amounting to 6.46% of the market volume in terms of sales. One Great Studio Company Limited, with 2,596,601 units, amounted to 4.47% of the market volume, changing hands between buyers and sellers. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 24, 2024, registered a volume of 488,282 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 7,093,024 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 57 cents. Guardian Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 184,990 shares changing hands for a value of 3,101,121 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 67 cents, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 153,000 shares being traded for 566,100 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 24, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that $64 million was bought from Forex traders, while $70.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.83 and bought the US dollar for $155.68. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.15, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.42 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.04 and bought for $113.62. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $9.12, selling it for $199.64 and buying it for $190.52. For our credit report tip of the day, when you experience a financial setback, that can be a challenge. But imagine you get a windfall of cash. This gives you a unique opportunity to rebuild your credit score and secure a brighter financial future. Here is a strategic step to make the most of this opportunity. Set aside a portion of this windfall of cash to establish or bolster your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This safety net ensures you won't have to rely on credit in case of unexpected expenses. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.